Okay, well, I'll tell you what, can you put the...
Got it. Uninvited guests. She's getting looked at by the doctor. I had to go borrow these. Still haven't vacated yet. Checkout is way overdue, man. She took a sudden nosedive on us the second day of La Ruta Maya. So we had to take a different approach to be able to see how we could continue to provide coverage for La Ruta Maya. We missed 2 days, but we followed it via public transportation, the bus, and met up in Belmopan for the 3rd day, and just went to the different places like restaurants and sports bar that they would go hang out and have a meal and recoup, recover, and then depart and then go to their personal private sanctuary to rejuvenate, revitalize, and energize. And then from there we head to Ladyville. So now we're just trying to figure out what's going on with the mule here. Don't be angry. You stayed past checkout date. If we want to charge you or tax you, we got to tax you. You're uninvited. You're unwelcome now at this point. You ain't got no squatters' rights. This is cedar. I've been neglecting them for quite a while now. Might have to get them on top of it. This is mahogany. There's a mahogany here that looks a little bit better. Borrowed. 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 Got it.
Bloody thing.